Got this rimfire tannerite. It says it requires a 17 grain bullet traveling 1,000 feet per second to set it off. But a few years ago, my buddy Bud and I discovered that that is not true. Yeah! Turns out a .177 pellet out of a break action air rifle will set it off. So, we all know that a regular standard 40 grain traveling 1,240 feet per second 22 long rifle will set it off. But that got me curious. Will a subsonic 20 grain 590 foot per second round set it off? And then that got me curious. Will an arrow shot from a compound bow set it off? Let's find out. Alright, first shot, federal 40 grain, 1,240 feet per second. Just kind of a control. We know this will set it off. Can I hit it? Probably. Alright, so next up is the 20 grain subsonic traveling at 590 feet per second. So that translates to about 15 foot-pounds of energy. The tannerite says that it needs 17 grains traveling 1,000 feet per second, which is 38 foot-pounds of energy. And that first shot had about 138 foot-pounds of energy. So let's see if this one will set it off. Well, they knocked it off. Went and got it. Hit it 3 out of 4 times. And nothing happened. So, I guess the 20 grain subsonic won't do it. So, I'm going to go ahead and set this off just for fun. And then we'll start with a fresh target for the bow and arrow. Okay, so that target was a dud. I shot it like 4 times with regular ammo and nothing happened. So we're going to give the subsonic stuff one more shot with a fresh target.
Yeah.
No, nothing.
No, Daddy, we do. Hey.
Yeah, I got it. And it didn't go off. So, subsonic stuff is out, I guess. Alright, now, let's see if the bow and arrow set it off. I put 2 over there because I'm not a very good shot with this yet. So, see if I can hit it. Yes! So there you have it. 20 grain subsonic 22 will not set off rimfire tannerite, but a bow and arrow definitely will. I'm doing that again and again and again and again and again.